In the world of water treatment, clarity is everything. From concept to completion, Veritas Water delivers more than just water equipment. We provide peace of mind.
Whatever for water treatment plant, we have to consider it as a whole package because all the systems need to integrate well with each other. It's not just an individual equipment.
This is two things that must be in liaison with your understanding of what we are doing here. This is about water treatment. You need to understand the technology and you need to understand the way it has been built.
At Veritas Water, we specialize in the design of efficient and sustainable water-related equipment tailored to your project needs. Whether you're building a municipal facility, an industrial site, or a residential development, our team works with one mission: to ensure water moves through your systems cleanly, safely, and reliably. Our strength lies in clear, fast, and efficient communication. From your first inquiry to final delivery, you'll know exactly where we are in the process. No delays, no guesswork, just direct updates, precise timelines, and responsive support.
A lot of coordination, a lot of online meeting, a lot of on-site meeting we have encountered, and we have actually, go back to the design table and then go through the discussion and approval together. And besides from that, sometimes we have to actually align the expectation between the stakeholders and also the contractor and us. So it is not only what we deliver, it is to align and to make sure that the kind of understanding and the kind of expectation from each other and to make it as a successful project.
What sets us apart? We don't just say our systems work, we prove it. Every design is backed by measurable data, performance modeling, and real-world testing. We provide numbers that speak for themselves, so you can make informed decisions with confidence. Our team brings decades of combined experience. We stay updated with regulations, use technology to solve real-world problems, and work towards a sustainable future. Whether it's a simple system or a complex build, we design with foresight, ensuring compliance, scalability, and long-term sustainability.
我们一定会推荐 Veritas Water。第一个呢是技术的透明化，他们能够提供完整的材料认证文件和生命周期成本测算，让客户清晰评估长期效益。第二个呢是风险共担态度，如在本项目中，他们主动承诺定期远程监控滤渣性能，这种责任意识对业主方至关重要。
Veritas Water. Communicate with clarity. Delivered with integrity. Proven with results.